Ready to be blown away by vintage gems? These 11 classic motorcycles are jaw-dropping pieces of history, and they're all for sale. From rare Harley legends to stunning custom builds, each bike has a story to tell. Let's ride through time. 1. 1977 HarleyDavidson Shovelhead, $12,300, Ambler, Pennsylvania. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead represents the pinnacle of Harley's custom innovation in the late 1970s. Known for its 80-inch engine and reliability, the Shovelhead earned its name from the shovel-like shape of its rocker covers. This particular bike, with its rebuilt engine and customized features like police shifters and fork shrouds, highlights Harley's ability to blend rugged functionality with bold aesthetics. Less than 500 miles on the rebuild means it's practically brand new, while retaining the classic Harley heritage. Habana 2. 1999 Indian Chief, $10,000, Mount Holly, New Jersey. Indian Motorcycles Chief series has been an icon since the 1920s. This 1999 model from Indian's revival era stands out for its untouched condition, stored for decades as an investment. Indian reintroduced the Chief line in the late 90s with bold styling and modern engineering, combining an S&S motor with traditional aesthetics. It's a rare chance to own a pristine example of Indian's historic return to American roads. Lahana 3. 1995 Harley-Davidson Classic, $5,500, Niagara Falls, New York. Harley-Davidson's touring models, like this classic from 1995, cater to riders seeking comfort and reliability for long journeys. With 60,000 miles, this black beauty proves Harley's reputation for durability. The 1990s were a transformative period for Harley, as the company invested in technological improvements while retaining its iconic style, making this a desirable and timeless ride. 4. Toro 1995 Honda VT600 Chopper, $5,850, Kingston, Pennsylvania. Honda's Shadow series revolutionized the mid-size cruiser market, offering dependable performance at an affordable price. This custom VT600 takes it further with a Frisco-style chopper design, featuring a hardtail frame and custom patina paint. Originating in the 1960s, Frisco choppers gained fame for their minimalist and aggressive styling, a legacy this bike carries forward. Number 5. 1978 Harley-Davidson FLH, $8,000, 84, Pennsylvania. The FLH series played a crucial role in shaping Harley-Davidson's touring reputation. With its shovelhead engine and classic pogo seat, this 1978 model is a testament to Harley's commitment to rider comfort and mechanical innovation. Its antique plates and metallic green paint add collector appeal, while the hard bags and top-end rebuild reflect a balance of history and functionality. Six, 1975 Harley-Davidson XLCH Ironhead, $5,000, Newfoundland, New Jersey. The Ironhead XLCH was Harley's answer to the growing demand for performance-focused motorcycles in the 1960s and 70s. This 1975 custom survivor embraces the digger style, a subculture within the custom bike world, emphasizing elongated frames and unique aesthetics. It stands as a piece of Harley's bold, experimental era, ideal for riders and restorers alike. Hajna 7, 1977 Harley-Davidson FX Low Rider, 5000, Tionesta, Pennsylvania. The FX Low Rider debuted in the 1970s as Harley's effort to bring custom chopper elements directly from the factory. This 1977 model, equipped with dual-disc brakes and S&S carburetors, pays homage to the era's custom culture. The FX series marked a turning point, capturing the rebellious spirit of its time while maintaining a reliable performance standard. Eight. 1977 HarleyDavidson Superglide FXE, $10,500, Woodstown, New Jersey. The Superglide FXE is often credited as one of the first factory-built custom motorcycles. Created by Willie G. Davidson, it combined the lightweight FX frame with the power of Harley's big twin engine. This meticulously rebuilt model highlights its legacy with modernized components and original uncut numbers matching parts, ensuring authenticity and ride-ready reliability. 9. 1977 Harley-Davidson Cafe Racer XLCR, $12,750, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. The XLCR was Harley-Davidson's bold attempt to enter the European-dominated cafe racer market of the 1970s. With only 3,124 units produced, this 47th model off the line is a collector's dream. Known for its sleek black design and sporty handling, the XLCR challenged Harley's traditional cruiser image while embracing the cafe racer ethos of speed and simplicity. At 10. 1994 Harley-Davidson Nostalgia, $5,500, Saginaw, Michigan. Part of Harley's Softail family, the Nostalgia edition, often called the Moo Glide, was a nod to classic American styling. With its birch white and silver finish, it evokes 1950s-era designs while offering the comfort and reliability of modern engineering. Limited production numbers add to its appeal for collectors. 11. 1989 Harley-Davidson Custom, $6,000, Greensboro, North Carolina. This 1989 Custom Harley-Davidson is a unique piece built by Cox Harley-Davidson, a shop known for bespoke creations. A true barn find, it showcases the craftsmanship of an era when custom bikes emphasized individuality and performance. With just 18,000 miles, it's ready to ride and carries the charm of its builder's artistry. $12. 1976 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster, $3,000, Daytona Beach, Florida. The 1976 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster represents an era when the Sportster line was cementing its reputation for performance and affordability. This bike has been described by the seller as running, riding, and stopping smoothly, with a clear Florida title in their name. The 1976 XLH came equipped with a classic V-twin ironhead engine, revered for its raw power and characteristic sound. With its black exterior and vintage appeal, this affordable option for $3,000 could serve as a great entry point into Harley-Davidson's legacy. Which of these incredible motorcycles caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more vintage treasures. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride down memory lane.